Do you ever feel like your kids outgrow clothes faster than you can say back to school sale? One day those jeans fit perfectly, and the next, they're riding up like high waters. Every mom knows that sinking feeling, standing in front of a pile of clothes that seemed brand new just weeks ago. We're told to just buy cheap clothes or wait for sales, but somehow it never feels like enough. You plan, you save, you stretch every dollar, and still the clothing bills keep coming. It's like chasing a moving target that never stops. You work hard, budget carefully, and still feel like your kid's closet is a money pit. Every season, it's a new round of buying, sorting, and letting go. And behind that frustration, there's guilt because you just want to give your child the best. Could it be that the system, the entire clothing industry, is designed to make parents spend more than they need to? If we don't learn to outsmart it, we'll keep pouring money into clothes that last only months while companies laugh all the way to the bank. But here's the truth. Moms have a secret, and once you know it, everything changes. Today, I am revealing the real secret moms use to stretch every clothing dollar. And no, it's not just about sales or secondhand shopping. There's a smarter way, one that saves time, money, and sanity, because raising kids isn't cheap, right? Hi, I'm Betty. Welcome to Betty channel, where we share mom hacks, smart spending tips, and real savings that actually work. Because every mom deserves a break and a budget that breathes. Real tips, real moms, real savings. Around here, we keep things honest and simple, because moms don't have time for fluff, just what works in real life. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not sponsored or selling anything. Just one mom sharing what's worked for me. So grab your coffee, because I'm about to show you 7 powerful, mom-tested strategies to make your kids' clothes last longer, cost less, and even earn money back. You know, it's not just what we buy for our kids, it's how long it lasts and how we use it that really makes the difference. A $10 shirt that falls apart after one wash isn't really a bargain. Moms like us need clothes that can handle every playground adventure and spaghetti night. Did you know the average child grows through 7 sizes in their first 10 years? No wonder our closets feel like revolving doors. It's like every time you finally organize the drawers, boom, another growth spurt hits. Imagine if you only had to shop for clothes twice a year, and everything still fit through multiple growth spurts. That's not a dream, it's smart planning. Stretchy fabrics, adjustable waists, and quality stitching make all the difference. Here's the thing. Most moms think buying cheap means saving, but low-quality clothes wear out faster, fade sooner, and tire easier. In the end, we spend more replacing them. As Warren Buffett says, price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Moms, here's a secret that feels like magic. Buy just a bit bigger. When you go one size up, those jeans or jackets can last an extra season or more. It's not just saving money, it's about outsmarting those sudden growth spurts every kid has. Think of adjustable waistbands and stretchy fabrics. They're lifesavers. Those clever little details mean your child's favorite pants can stay comfy longer. It's like getting bonus time before another shopping trip. And don't be afraid to layer. That's where style meets practicality. A roomy hoodie today becomes the perfect outer layer next fall. It's fashion that flexes with your family's life. Oversized doesn't mean sloppy. It's all about how you style it. Choose adjustable fits, stretchy fabrics, and colors that go with everything. Remember, as Rachel Zoe said, style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. Every few months, kids outgrow their clothes faster than we realize. Instead of letting those tiny jeans pile up, set aside 2 bins, one for too small and one for grow into. It's a small system that saves time, space, and sanity. Moms who do this simple rotation every season say they save up to $400 a year just by avoiding panic buys. No more last-minute store runs because you forgot your kid needed a jacket for fall. Picture this, bins labeled by size and season, all neatly stacked in your closet or garage. Mornings become stress-free because you always know exactly what fits right now and what's waiting for the next growth spurt. Without a system like this, it's easy to forget what you already have and rebuy the same clothes again and again. Start small, and remember, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. You don't have to shop alone. Join a local clothing swap group with other moms. It's fun, smart, and totally budget-friendly. Picture this. You bring in your kids' outgrown clothes and come home with a whole new wardrobe. No money spent. A simple swap between just 5 families can save each one over $600 a year. That's money you can use for a family trip, school supplies, or even a cozy weekend together. Imagine your kids getting new clothes every season without spending a dime. You'll meet amazing moms, share stories, and maybe even find a few playdate buddies along the way. Just remember, only swap clothes that are clean and in good condition. Stay organized and share the love. Because, as Robert Ingersoll said, we rise by lifting others. Ever wish you could bring those stained or torn clothes back to life? You actually can. With a few stitches, patches, or a splash of dye, you can turn oops moments into brand new favorites. Moms who add a little love to old clothes save big, and their kids get unique, one-of-a-kind outfits. A tiny tear doesn't mean the end of the world. It's a chance to get creative. Maybe add a cute patch, or turn it into a fun embroidery project with your little one. These small fixes can extend a clothing item's life by up to 30%. Dyeing or trimming can work wonders too. That faded hoodie? Give it a bold new color. Those jeans? Cut them into shorts and add some lace. Little changes can breathe new life into what's already in your closet. Remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about fun, creativity, and making memories together. When your kids wear something you've upcycled, they wear your love, and that's priceless. Like Einstein said, creativity is intelligence having fun. Ever notice how kids' clothes cost less right after the season ends? Smart moms know the secret. Shop off season. Those cute jackets or sandals might be 60% cheaper just a few weeks later. It's like giving yourself a bonus every time you plan ahead. When you focus on mix and match basics, you'll be amazed how many outfits you can create. A few good jeans, comfy tees, and versatile jackets can go a long way. It's like giving your kid a mini capsule wardrobe that's easy and fun to style. The best part? Less clutter and less stress. When every piece of clothing actually works together, mornings become smoother and happier. You spend less time searching and more time smiling before school drop-off. But don't fall for the bargain trap. A $5 shirt that just sits in the drawer isn't a deal. It's clutter in disguise. Buy what your kids will really wear and love, not just what's on sale. As moms, we know how quickly kids outgrow or even lose their clothes. But when we teach them to choose their own outfits and take care of them, something changes. They start to value what they wear. It's not just about saving money. It's about building responsibility and pride. Studies show that kids who learn to care for their belongings reduce clothing loss and damage by nearly 40%. Imagine that. Fewer missing socks and fewer ruined shirts. It's amazing what happens when kids feel ownership over their stuff. When kids learn that clothes cost money and that taking care of them matters, they start making better choices. You'll see them hang up their clothes without being asked, or choose a durable pair of jeans over something flashy. It's small lessons that create big changes at home. And the best part? You'll notice less chaos in the mornings, fewer tears over lost clothes, and more teamwork as your kids grow more responsible. Like Benjamin Franklin said, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. Involve them, and you'll see how much they can shine." So there you have it, from smart sizing and seasonal swaps to DIY creativity and teaching your kids real value. These are the secrets that real moms use to stretch every dollar. Saving money on clothes isn't about doing without, it's about doing smart. You've got this, mama. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with another mom. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more from Budget Betty channel. Real tips, real moms, real savings. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to save on kids' clothes? Drop your ideas in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Until next time, keep loving, keep laughing, and keep saving. One smart choice at a time. Thanks for watching Budget Betty, real tips, real moms, real savings.